National Portrait Gallery was the world's first national portrait gallery. We also have the largest collection of portrait material in the world.
My name is Jazz Clare. I work for Helvar Limited. I'm the UK Operations Manager. I think the relationship with the gallery has been fantastic over the years. First come to this site about 20 years ago, and we have relationships at different levels here. The engineering teams, the facilities team on site, the electrical engineers, the engineering manager, and also the project managers here.
Main reasons why we work with Helvar today is because they provide a comprehensive range of hardware. We're a high-end company, and ultimately we can't afford for product that's tied in with us to not be getting the best out of our product. We effectively reduce the energy levels down 80%, 85%. You've got benefits of air conditioning, or the costs for that to keep the place cool have dramatically gone down as well. So it was a win-win.
In terms of the importance of lighting in galleries, it's very much for the satisfaction of the visitors to enjoy the artwork in the best possible conditions, light being one of them conditions.
The actual gallery itself, pretty much anywhere where there's a public space, Helvar are controlling. The major sort of development over the years has been LED, and also trying to keep to the attention of detail in terms of lux levels on lighting.
Each painting is a bespoke lighting display. When the paintings are hung, there's a curatorial person that's responsible for that painting, and they will set the lighting levels. It's a real difficult blend, and all of this is done to enable the visitor to enjoy each painting as if it's the only painting in the room. That's the difficulty.
I think as a company, we've learnt that the best relationships are if you're open and honest with people. And if something isn't quite right, let's see what we can do.
Without them relationships with Helvar and many other suppliers of choice, we just simply couldn't function.
We have certain standards, and ultimately we can't compromise on them. And that's where Helvar fits in.